Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Kimi k1.5 for free. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to open your web browser and type in Kimi AI. Hit enter and you will see Kimi AI will be on the top of the search results. Click on kimi.ai, and this is also emerging, just like DeepSeek is emerging, but most of the people only know about DeepSeek, but Kimi is also a good option, and it is also competing with the great or the big dogs. That's how you can open kimi.ai. You can go to simply this website, and now as you can see, Kimi is now online. If you click on this drop down menu, you have to log in with your account, but you can also chat with kimi.ai without logging in as well. So I will go back and open Kimi once again. So now it is right now free to use, so I will ask any questions to Kimi. I will type in that and hit enter. As you can see, it has given me an answer with the help of Kimi AI. So you can ask questions. There are so many options as well. You can scan to download Kimi AI Assistant as well, and you can also use it as a browser extension. You can use it as a desktop version app, and you can start a new chat. If you click just right here, you will be able to upload your files, like supported files or PDF files, Word documents, Excel and spreadsheets as well. So that's basically how you can use Kimi 1.5 for free. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.